Hello and welcome to LithosPOS. In this video, we will discuss adding discounts and charges in LithosPOS. Let's begin. To add a new discount, log in to the back office. Then, navigate to Items and click on Discount or Charges. Next, click on the Add Discount or Charges button. Then, select Discount. Name your discounts in the Name column. Choose your preferred discount method, either a flat amount or percentage, and enter the value. You can also restrict the right to apply discounts and charges to certain employees by turning on restricted access and selecting the preferred roles. Then enable the stores where you need to apply this discount. Then click Save. Now, let's look at how to add a charge. To add a charge, navigate to Items and click Discount or Charges. Click on Add Discount or Charges. Select Charge. Name your charge. Choose your preferred charge method, either a flat amount or percentage, and enter the value amount you wish to charge. Select the tax percentage. Enable restricted access if necessary, and choose the roles. Then enable the stores where you need to apply this discount. Then click Save. That's all about adding discounts and charges. Thanks for watching.